और अब खबरों की तफसील। वज़ीर-ए-आज़म नरेंद्र मोदी 17 जुलाई को अमृत भारत स्टेशन स्कीम के तहत जदीद तर्ज पर तैयार किए गए 75 रेलवे स्टेशनों का इफ्तिताह करेंगे। हुकाम के मुताबिक इन स्टेशनों को जदीद सहूलियात, बेहतर मुसाफिर खदमात और मुकामी सकाफत व विरसे की अक्कासी को मद्देनजर रखते हुए अज़-सर-नौ तरक्की दी गई है। अमृत भारत स्टेशन स्कीम का मकसद मुल्क भर के रेलवे स्टेशनों को मरहलावार जदीद बनाना, मुसाफिरों को बेहतर सहूलियात फराहम करना और रेलवे के बुनियादी ढांचे को मजबूत करना है। वज़ीर-ए-आज़म का ये इफ्तिताही प्रोग्राम रेलवे के शोबे में बुनियादी ढांचे की तरक्की और जदीदकारी की जानिब एक अहम कदम करार दिया जा रहा।
Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji is going to inaugurate 75 railway stations which have been developed under Amrit Bharat station scheme on 17th July. These all stations under the legendary leadership of Honorable Prime Minister ji, Shri Narendra Modi Garu, and Honorable Union Minister of Railways, Shri Ashwini Vaishnav ji, are trying to develop them under world-class passenger facilities. Under this scheme, around 73 stations of Andhra Pradesh have been already selected, in which 3 stations have completed all the works which are ready to be dedicated to the nation by the Honorable Prime Minister. They are Rayanpadu in the Krishna district, Mangalagiri in the Guntur district, Kambam in the Markapuram district. The works to the tune of 25 crore were completed in the station of Rayanpadu, where we have developed the platform surfaces, new waiting halls were built, cover over platform was built, and also lifts were provided to the existing footover bridges. And in the station of Mangalagiri in the Guntur district, a new second entry has been developed with the tune of 12 crore rupees expenditure, where we also have developed parking facilities, cover over platforms, platform surfaces were improved, 2 lifts were provided in the existing footover bridges, thereby making the Mangalagiri station more accessible and more comfortable for